Hello, my dear beautiful ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. The truck condition is very bad. It is about to collapse, and there are many people trying to take a shot of this. Let me get you closer to that. Yes, with the help of two cranes, the truck is able to pull up. Yes, succeeded. Yeah, but still getting stuck up. Some problem is there. Still see,
Road construction and
due to road construction and little difficulties over here.
rain.
Rain, due to little bit of rain. That's the worst part of this area. Suddenly the rain will come. Look at that. Even the child is interested in watching. Look at this.